Alright, so let's go ahead and open up Maya. I'll give you all a few moments to do that. But there's a few things I want to explain that are going to be important when creating your character and building it along the way. So what we want to do when it comes to Maya and keeping your files organized is something called setting up our project window. So you want to go ahead and go to File and find Project Window down here towards the end, and we're going to go ahead and click on it. So you will get this little window here. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and find the new button. Go ahead and click on it. So I don't know, whatever project you want to call it. I want to call this one, lizard character, because that's why I'm making some type of lizard character. You can name it, your own name, whatever you want. So, lizard character. Now we're gonna make sure we have a proper location. So what we're doing is we're gonna create all these different folders. And this will be, all our project to keep everything organized for us and for Maya. So let's go ahead and go over to this little folder here for the location. Go ahead and click on it. So you want to go to wherever your main folder that you're going to be collecting all these files in. I made a new folder called Mountain Lizard. So this is going to be my actual location to put the Maya project in. So, go ahead and select it. Go ahead, it's directory, it's going to show you that you have it selected. And just press select, then confirm it. So now you have it here. It knows where it's going to be located. And next thing all you got to do is just click accept. So it's accepting. And to show you what it did, I'll go ahead and minimize Maya. We'll go ahead and open up my Mountain Lizard folder. Now we got something, like I called it Lizard Character. So now it's here, and all our folders for this project is now here. So I'll briefly explain a couple of these folders, and I'll explain about the other ones later on. So we got one here called the scenes. This is where Maya is going to place your saved files in of Maya. And the source images is where we're going to go ahead and place our front view and side view of our character. And in the future, textures when the character is already fully modeled. So that, this is an important folder to keep in mind. So I'm going to go ahead and take my characters, images, my reference. I'm going to go ahead and place it into the source images folder. So again, the source images. That's where Maya and us, we're going to, source everything from. Because when you upload these into Maya and close it out later on and open it later, Maya's not exactly gonna know where the source your previous image is unless you have a specific spot in. So once we have our project window and project created in all these folders, I'm gonna go ahead and go back to Maya. And then the next thing you're gonna want to do is go to File, and underneath the project window, you want to go ahead and set project. So this is telling Maya, like, hey, every time I open this project and file, to always make sure it's sourcing your images, your references, everything from this project files. So I'm going to go ahead and select the lizard character. Quick. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and select the lizard character folder, and I'm going to go ahead and click set. So now it knows what we're going to do. And the next thing we want to go ahead and do is go ahead and save. So you can go to File, Save As, or Control-Shift-S to save as, but we're gonna go ahead and go to File and click Save As. And immediately Maya is already taking you to your actual file, the scenes file in your actual project, which is great. So now we're gonna go ahead and title it, Lizard for mine, or name yours. So I'm gonna title it Lizard. Make sure its file type is Maya ASCII. It's Maya. So it's like .ma. And we want to go ahead and click Save As. Alright, so now that we have everything set, we can go ahead and actually start. So we want to go ahead and start opening up our different views, like our top view, side view, front view, whatever. Go ahead and click on the space bar, or if you have it on the side here. I don't have it here. I'm gonna go ahead and change my window to, let's go modeling. It might be a little bit different from your all screen. You can definitely click right here if you have the sidebar, which you should have. Go ahead and click on this panel layout if you don't want to hit spacebar. That way it can bring out your different angles. So right here, I have my front view and I have my right view, which is the side view that we're going to use. So let's go ahead and go to your front view. Go ahead and just click in this area. That way it knows where to go into. So I'm going to go ahead and hit spacebar again. Take my window to the front view. Now we want to go ahead and go to the view in this window. So you see my mouse here, view in this location. Go ahead and click on it. Now we want to go find image plane. And once you get to the image plane here, go to import image. And what this is going to do is bring our actual reference in here. So I'm going to go ahead and click import. I'm going to go ahead and find my front view here. Click on it and simply just click open, and now it's going to bring our front view image in Maya. So now again, to do it for the side view, we're going to go ahead and hit spacebar or click here on the side to bring up your other panels and find your right view that I'm going to be using, for example. So the right view, we're going to do the same thing. Get in, click on the area, hit spacebar to enter the window more. Again, we're going to go to view, find image plane, and go to image, import image. So again, view, image plane, import image. I'm going to go ahead and find my side view. Got it selected. Go ahead and click open, and now it imported my image. And when you have this here, you can go ahead and click it. There's other settings here that you can mess with. Brighten the image up if it looks too dark in your Maya scene. I'm messing with the color offset here. You can see here it's brightening it, so that can definitely be used for later. If you want to use it, I might just use it here just to make my eyes a little bit easier to read. So now that we got both our images here, we're going to go ahead and move them a little bit. That way we can actually model. So let's go ahead and go to our main perspective view. Go ahead and, space. Go ahead and click on it. You can click here to select, whatever view you had selected here. So now we're in Maya, we have this. Again, if you forget, holding Alt, then left click, drag, you're able to drag around your scene. Again, holding Alt, right click will go ahead and zoom in, zoom out. And again, holding the Alt button and middle mouse click, which is like, I guess, your rolling or whatever your middle mouse is, button is, holding Alt middle mouse click is dragging your view here. So definitely, again, important buttons that you need to remember so you can, go around Maya. All right, so let's go ahead and start placing our images in areas. That way we have space to actually model a character. So right here, not exactly ideal to model. So we're gonna go ahead and click the front view here, for example. You want to go to your move tool, go ahead and click on it, or the hotkey W will bring that up as well. So now I get these little arrows here. So once you got this, always pay attention of your Y, X, Z axis. I'm going to click on the arrow, this arrow here, and that's my Z axis. I'm going to go ahead and just drag it back here. And now for our side view, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to click on it with the move tool selected, and I'm going to drag it on the X axis and move it back a little bit. And the reason why I did this again is that it's going to give me space to actually start modeling in the middle. And again, everything's still good on the front and side view, which is great. It didn't mess with this. And now we are set to go ahead and start modeling our character. And again, it's always important to save. So I'm gonna go ahead and click Control S, or if you want, go to File, Save. That way Maya doesn't crash on you unexpectedly. I already had to record this 3 separate times. So definitely important to make it a habit to, Control Save or save, every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever. Just make it a habit, because it will save you time in the future.